Children, another example is calculate the mass of 0.5 mole of nitrogen atoms. First example is calculate the mass of 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas. Here nitrogen atoms. Okay. So the given details are number of moles. Number of mole that equal to 0.5. Then what is the molar mass or atomic mass of nitrogen atom? Yes, that is 14, that we already know. Molar mass. Molar mass or atomic mass of nitrogen atom is 14 gram. That is fixed. Then we know the equation. We know number of moles equal to mass by molar mass. Therefore, mass equal to number of mole into molar mass. So it will be number of mole, that is 0.5 into molar mass, that it will be 14. So the answer is 7 gram. That is half mole of the mass of half mole of nitrogen atom is 7 gram. The mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atom is equal to 114 gram. That we already write here. Molar mass means its atomic mass. Okay. 1 mole of nitrogen atoms, its mass is fixed, that is 14 gram. Therefore, the weight of the half mole of nitrogen atom is equal to 7 gram. Okay. Children, another example is calculate the mass of 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 number of nitrogen atoms. That is the question. Calculate the mass. We want to calculate the mass of these number of nitrogen atoms. So here given only the number of atoms, nitrogen atoms. We learn the equation to find out the number of moles from number of particles and Avogadro number. So from that equation we will be getting the number of moles. Then we using that number of moles and the molar mass, we can able to calculate the mass of these number of nitrogen atoms. So first step to find out the number of moles. After that we want to calculate, we'll be calculating the mass of these particles of or these number of nitrogen atoms. Look here. Then given or we know the equation. We know number of mole equal to given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. Avogadro number of particles. This is one of the equation to find out number of mole. Here given number of particles. So number of particles equal to 3.011 into 10 raised to 23. This number of particles are given. Okay. Then Avogadro number of particles. Avogadro number that already we know. Avogadro number equal to what it is? Yes, it is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. This is the Avogadro number of particles. So, number of mole equal to, therefore, number of mole equal to 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 divided by Avogadro number of particles. That is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Avogadro number of particles. So, it will be 1 by 2, that equal to 0.5. So, this number of particles, it means half mole. Okay. Half mole contains 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 particles. We got the number of mole. Then, with the help of the number of mole and the molar mass of nitrogen atoms. From that too, we can able to find out the mass of these number of nitrogen atoms. Okay. So, we already known mass equal to number of mole into molar mass. From last two examples, we are understanding that mass equal to number of mole into molar mass. Then number of mole 0.5. Then molar mass. Molar mass, the molar mass of nitrogen atom equal to its atomic mass. That automatically 40. Molar mass of nitrogen atom is 40. Then again we get 7 gram. That is, this means half mole. So, its weight is equal to 7 gram. From last example, that is similar to this one. Okay.